Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I did these jumbo puzzle braids, so please keep watching. So my hair is nice and stretched and I did not blow dry it, but I had it in these plaits that I normally sleep in, so I had them in for about 3 days, so it caused my hair to have this nice stretch look. Now I'm taking my tail comb and I'm making a zigzag parting at the back of my head. And guys, this parting was so hard to make. To make a zigzag when you can't see what you're doing was horrible. I did use a mirror from time to time to check how the parting was coming along, but it still didn't help so much because the mirror I had behind me was small like this one. But to get this on camera, this is the only way I could actually do it, and to try to just feel through it was not even possible. It was not coming together at all, so I did have to go through this a couple times. This is the most difficult part of the hairstyle. I mean, like, getting this parting down, getting the zigzags in place is like totally the most challenging part of the entire hairstyle. But once you're able to do that, the hairstyle is pretty much a breeze. And if you're doing this on someone or someone is doing this on you, it's pretty simple because you are able to see clearly what you're doing. But because I'm not able to see most of the partings that I'm doing, it did take some time to get the partings together and it got a little bit frustrating. But anyways, I made these partings and then I went in with some jam and then I applied that to the sections to keep them neat, and then I installed my elastic bands. After that, I went in with some moisturizer and applied it to my ends so that they're properly moisturized while they're in this braided style. So I'm just continuing the same procedure and making zigzag partings all over my head, or the best zigzags that I can possibly make, and then I'm just putting some jam at the base of my hair and then installing my elastic band and moisturize my ends. So I'm just repeating this step each time until my entire head is complete.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you.
Now this is the same hair that I showed you guys when I was taking down my box braids. I'll be linking it in the iCard so you guys can check out that video how I prep this hair. So I'm just separating the hair like you guys see I'm doing it now to make it have the right thickness. So I don't want it to be too thick and I don't want it to be too thin. And then I'm just taking a section of hair and starting to braid it to my natural hair. And when I just started braiding it to the hair, it was a bit tangled at the ends. So I just continued to braid and just run my fingers through the hair until it wasn't tangling anymore. If you guys will be reusing old hair like I'm doing right here right now, you see that it's a bit textured. So you could go in first with a white tooth comb and just comb through it before you actually start braiding. But I really didn't think it was so necessary, so I just went ahead and braid right away, but you guys could actually comb through it before you started braiding. It was about 4.5 packs of hair that was in my head in the previous braiding video, so you guys will see the amount that is left over when I'm finished braiding this.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you.
Now I'm going in with some Got To Be glued hair gel, and I'm applying that to my edges and using my rat tail comb to just swoop my edges to the sides. And this is the amount of hair that is left over after I completed the braiding process. Now I'm using some boiling hot water to hot water the hair so that it lays naturally. Next, I'm going in with some mousse and I'm just applying this over my hair to lay all my flyaways. And this is it for this hairstyle. I'm really pleased with the end results. I really hope that this video was helpful for you guys, and if it was, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and also to click that subscribe button and share it with your friends. I thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.